Sure.
Uh-oh. I hope you're not sick.
I'm quite well. My mucous membranes are merely doing their job.
Or
What?
someone's talking about you. Maybe you've got fans, like the ones who showed for Yaoyorozu at the concert.
Don't you make fun of them, Kaminari. I'm lucky to have them.
Tokoyami's probably had fans for a while now. He did his work study with Hawk, so I bet he's got some street cred.
No, likely not.